This quick video is about how to turn on dark mode on Apple Maps on any iPhone. Okay, let's see that. First open Apple Maps. Actually, there is no separate feature for turn on dark mode on Apple Maps, but you can use the device dark mode. Just swipe down here and turn on this dark mode option. That's it. Now your Apple Maps was changed to dark mode. If you can't find this dark mode button means, just open settings and open control center. And under more controls, you can see the dark mode button. Just click this plus icon, then it will be added on the top. That's it. And we already made a lots of videos about how to turn on dark mode and apps. Just watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.